So this is a showcase technique in chemistry called chromatography, and this is the separation of different compounds based on some of the different properties of their attraction and repulsion to different materials and liquids. So there's traditionally the stationary phase and the mobile phase, and it is the competition of attraction and repulsion between these two phases that then separates out the different compounds. In this case, we are using a filter paper as our stationary phase and water as our mobile phase to separate out the washable black marker. It's a very kind of subtle and almost, easily overlooked observation, but in fact, chromatography is one of the workhorse techniques in analytical chemistry. Any chemistry lab in the world will be utilizing chromatography in some way, shape, or form. So it's a very quick introduction toward something that really you could work the rest of your life in this field. So I find it fascinating.